Hi, community. Big welcome. Thank you for pressing play. Thank you for being here with me today. My name is Kristin Skeleton. I'm the founder of Bud Funding, and here we're all about helping you live your best sustainable life. So today is going to be a short, quick tip, and it's something that I just recently learned and I'm super excited about. So big thank you to a special member of the Bud Funding community for sharing this tip with me. And of course, if you have any other ideas or tips, definitely write them in the comments. I read all of them. But before we dive right into today's video, I want to invite everyone to the Sustainable Human Workshop, which is a free workshop that I am hosting in our Facebook community. And I'm going to be going live every day from December 6th to December 10th at 12 Mountain Time. Every day I've invited a different sustainability expert to go live with me, and we'll be chatting about passive solar, traditional indigenous knowledge, beekeeping, soil health, residential solar, all that good stuff. So we're going to learn a ton. There's going to be some homework challenges, some creative challenges. You're going to get a workbook so you can write all this knowledge down and lock it in, because when we write something down, then we remember it much longer. So definitely join me for that workshop. The link to join me is in the description of this video. So definitely join me. I'm excited to see all of you there, excited for December 6th to December 10th. Now let's get into today's video. So how do we recycle bottle caps? And this is what I'm talking about, these little guys here. So if you're like me, you have unfortunately been throwing these in the garbage, because I never knew you could actually recycle them. So if you are in a community like me where you put all your recycling in one bin, I never put these in because they were too light. So because when you put all the different materials together, when they sort it, they're too light to be sorted. So what I recently learned is another way that you can recycle them. So what you do is you collect these, and I mean, you don't have to. You could recycle them if you have one, but it's easy to collect a few of these and then keep a little tin can. So this was, from a soup or anything, any canned item. And what you do is you put these inside. And so I actually also have the lids. Just be really careful with these, because we all know how sharp these are. So what I'm gonna do is I have my little caps in there. You can hear them. And then I'm gonna put this on top, so kind of lock them into place. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna close the top. So you gotta use a little bit of force here and just close the top. So you're kind of locking them into place. So I'm just going to use some force here. And then now they can't escape. They're locked into place, and that lid is even locking them in below it. And so now you can put this whole thing in your recycle bin, and those bottle caps will now be recycled. I love that idea. It is just ingenious, and I really want a huge shout out to the member of Bud Funding community who shared this with me. So it's a super easy way to recycle those bottle caps and make sure they don't get in the landfill. So if you have any questions, comments, definitely put them below. And just a reminder, the Sustainable Human Workshop will be December 6th to December 10th. So get your name on the registration list. The link to do that is in the description of this video. I want to thank each and every one of you so much for pressing play and being part of this community. Remember, liking, sharing, commenting really helps ripple the positive effects of sustainability around the globe. And if you share this video with one person, you have helped spread sustainability around the globe, and you've of course helped me and helped the message of sustainability spread even further. So thank you so much, everyone, for being part of this community and watching this video. I'm super grateful for all of you, and I will see you next week. Bye, everyone.